This house was designed with one day in mind, the day when climbing stairs might not be so easy anymore. That's why the bedrooms and everything needed for daily life stay on the ground floor. But the architects made one unusual choice. They put the main pool upstairs. This is the CN House in Pak Chong in Thailand's Khao Yai region. It was designed for a family moving into retirement, but without turning the house into a place that feels designed around getting older. The idea was to let the house keep working as the owner's routine changes over time. The bedrooms, the main everyday spaces, and a large semi-open living area are all downstairs, so most of daily life can happen on a single level. The property is long and deep. It begins along the road and stretches toward the base of the mountains. As we move farther into the site, the street falls away behind us, and the house opens toward the garden and the landscape of Khao Yai. The second floor is more about gathering. There's a space for guests, and this is also where we find the main pool. Instead of placing the pool down by the garden, the architects lifted it upstairs, where the house can look across the property toward the mountains of Khao Yai. The pool becomes part of this more social side of the house. It sits alongside the gathering spaces, making the upper floor a place that can become more active when friends or family are visiting, or simply when the owners want to spend time enjoying the view. Downstairs, everything feels closer to the ground. The bedrooms sit near the spaces used every day, and moving through the house is simple, without relying on stairs for the things that matter most. One of the living areas sits under the roof, but is not completely enclosed. It stays shaded, opens directly to the garden, and lets air move through naturally. So part of the house never really has to choose between being inside or outside. We can stay protected from the sun and rain without being closed off by four walls. That makes a lot of sense in Thailand's climate. Large, covered outdoor areas can be used more often, while natural airflow helps keep the spaces comfortable. Downstairs, everything feels close and immediate. We see the garden, the plants, and the materials of the house right at eye level as we move through it. So each floor ends up with a different horizon. Downstairs, the house looks toward the garden. Upstairs, it looks toward the mountains. The ground floor holds what the owners need every day. The upper floor holds spaces that can come in and out of the routine more freely. Right now, there's no reason they can't use the entire house, but as the years go by, they won't need to climb stairs to reach the bedrooms or take care of the essentials of daily life. The house was prepared to change with them without needing to change itself. That idea also shows up in the way we move through the spaces. The design follows universal design principles, keeping obstacles to a minimum and making the most important areas easy to reach. But none of that takes over the look of the house. There are no hospital-like hallways or features that make it feel as if accessibility was added later. It was simply built into the layout from the beginning. The materials follow the same straightforward approach. Stone and wood appear again and again, both outside and inside. Stone-covered walls create heavier surfaces closer to the ground. Above them, wood appears across ceilings, walls, and parts of the roof, giving the living spaces a warmer feel. Instead of constantly switching finishes, the house sticks to a small group of materials and repeats them throughout. The CN house was designed in 2021 and completed in 2025. But maybe its most interesting feature is not something we notice right away. It's the way the house is designed around time. Today, the owners can use both floors, enjoy the pool upstairs, have people over, and make use of the entire house. Years from now, if stairs become less convenient, the bedrooms and everything essential will still be exactly where they have always been, downstairs. The CN house doesn't try to stop its owners from getting older. It was simply designed to grow older with them.